Hey guys, so today I have here my JBL REFLECT MINI 2 wireless earbuds, and I want to show you how to pair these, how to connect these to your smartphone. In this case I have here this iPhone, but it pretty much works the same way for an Android as well. So we start out by looking at the earbuds here. So we're going to take a look at the remote. In the middle we have here this power button. We push this power button for about 3 seconds, and then on the top of the remote we see here this LED blinking blue and red. See this here? So this is really important. If it doesn't do that, then your earbuds are not in the Bluetooth pairing mode yet. So in that case we have to do one more step here. So make sure you have this blinking blue and red. So now if they happen to not automatically go into this pairing mode, then you may have connected these earbuds to a different device before or so. Now let me show you how to force this into this pairing mode. So what we are going to do is we also go into the off state right now, and we're going to turn them on by pushing and holding the power button, but you have to keep pushing this button for way longer than before. So see here, so I'm pushing and holding this here for about 8 seconds, and now these earbuds are going into this pairing mode. See now what happens. Now it's also here blinking blue and red as we wanted, so we can pair this. So now let's keep continuing with the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so now we switch to our phones here. We go to the settings menu. As I said before, this is going to be pretty similar on an Android phone. So we go to the Bluetooth settings and we turn on Bluetooth. And now you see here already a list of devices that are previously paired. For you, this list may completely empty, but important here on the bottom, this is where we see JBL REFLECT MINI 2. These are the headphones that we just bought. So we're going to select this, and now the earbuds here are going to be automatically paired. They're now connected. So this is exactly what we want. We can confirm this by looking at the remote of the earbuds, and you see here now, instead of blinking blue and red, now they're just sometimes blinking here in blue. So this means it is successfully connected. We can use this now with our music library or whatever we want to do. So now the questions, of course, is the next time we want to use these earbuds again, do we have to do this process over and over again? And the answer to that is no. So these are now connected and they are going to remember each other. So now let's say we turn these earbuds off. Now you see they're disconnected, and later on we're going to turn them back on and we want to use them again. So now at this point these two devices do remember each other, and as long as Bluetooth is still enabled on your smartphone, these are going to automatically reconnect. You don't have to do anything, and you can just easily use them right away. Yeah, okay, so this is already it here. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any more questions, then please leave a comment below.